Yeah, so that's our problem also here, because that's the other the disadvantage if you got a bigger yard is the grass, so we do the mower, and then it's growing very fast, so, and it's expensive if we use the mower on our neighbor, and they will be the one to do the mower. So it's a bit shocking. I mean, the last time that I asked the two of them to do the mower, it's two mower that they're using, and after that, I was shocked on their payment. So I decided to do the spray, so we spray it last month and it's grow right away. So now I asked Banalot again to spray, and it's another use instead of the chemical plus the gasoline. It's not a gasoline, kind of diesel mixed together. I think they mix it. So instead of that, looks like not working. So this one Balalot is using the chemical plus the urea. It's kind of fertilizer. So I hope it will kill those grass. Kill this part here, but it's growing. Because it's really feels nice to see if it's cleared, if there's no grass. And even the other side, that's what I'm gonna do also, spray it so that they will not grow those trees. So that's what I wanted.